Hi and welcome to the shop. I'm Jessica. Today I am going to be working on enameling some crosses. These have already been counter enameled. You can check out my video on that on the channel if you want to see how this was done. And now we are going to be enameling the front of this piece. This copper is ready to be enameled. I have lightly cleaned it with a bit of sandpaper, and so the copper's clean, and let's start enameling. Alright, I just finished these pieces here. I'll go ahead and share the colors I used on them. The first color I used that I put down was an opaque Snow White, number 206 from Pearly Carpel on Etsy. Secondly, on this one, the blue one, I put a translucent Sky Blue, number 136 from Pearly Carpel on there. And I put those on both at the same time, and then I fired them as you saw. And then over here, the cross on the right, that one also had the opaque Snow White as a base layer. And then that one was topped with number 116 translucent fuchsia from Pearly Carpel Enamels. As you've seen, I kind of put the top layer on a little lighter so you can see the color underneath the white to give it a bit of contrast and a little bit of texture and interest. And next I will be putting these on chains, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to learn more about enameling, make sure to check out my channel. And also I'm working on an ebook, so keep an eye out for that in the near future. And I will put a link down in the description as soon as it's available for download. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.